Good. Alright, welcome back to another episode of Big Shticks, guys. Today, I am trying to elevate the wing game for the big game. Now, my big game is this Saturday against the Minnesota Vikings. For you, that could probably be the college football national championship game on Monday. It could be the Super Bowl in February. Here's what I do know. I do know that for those games, people generally throw parties, and at those parties, people usually serve wings. So today, I'm gonna make two different kinds of wings, lemon pepper and buffalo. I'm gonna cook them all at the same time. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's do this. Alright, now that we're done coating the chicken wings, let's heat up the Power XL. Again, I love cooking on 400. Chicken wings, in my experience, have taken upwards of 22 minutes. I think this time it's probably because there's more. It's going to take a little bit longer, but we'll check on it after the 20-minute mark or so. So I'm just going to put it on 26 minutes. I'm going to start it. I'm going to give it about 2 minutes to heat up, and then we'll drop the chicken wings in. All right, heat it up nicely. Just gonna spray the bottom here with a non-stick spray, just because we have the addition of a lot of wings this time. Don't usually cook this many in the air fryer, and today we're kind of gonna put it to its limit, right? So as you can see, light coating, very light coating of flour, just enough to cover it and give you a light crunch. Nothing too heavy. And we're gonna kind of crowd these in here this time. And I'm thinking I'm gonna spray it with a little bit more non-stick spray on the top, just to make sure that they don't stick to each other. Now, because I have it so crowded, probably going to be checking these every 5 minutes or so and tossing them back in to the fryer we go. This is at 12 minutes. So I think I need to shake these up a bit. All right, make a little bit of a mess. Got some browning going on the top stuff. A little bit on the bottom. Well, we're just gonna push it right back in and go another 10 minutes and see where we're at there. Okay, so it's been about 8 minutes or so. Let's take a look. All right, so we're getting decent browning here. I think we're really gonna have to cook this for a little while longer until they can get totally evenly cooked and brown. So right now there's about 6 minutes left. We'll pull it out then and then see if we need to go some more. All right, so about 1 minute left. Let's take a look. All right, so there's some browning going on there. I'll let you get a good long look at that. It looks pretty good. However, there's some spots in here that probably could use a little heat. So we're just gonna keep mixing it up, and we are gonna keep cooking. So I'm gonna give it another 4 minutes, and we'll see where we're at then. Okay. We are officially at the 30-minute mark, and this is how they look. So I kind of overcrowded it. It took about an additional 8 minutes to cook to at least to the degree that I'm accustomed to or desire. Now it's time to plate these things up. Melted butter. So you just pour the melted butter over your wings. Lemon pepper. Now, all lemon peppers aren't created equal. I prefer McCormick. I'm just going to toss to coat it. Next is buffalo. I like to use Frank's Red Hot Buffalo wing sauce. Just gonna sprinkle this over the top. Sprinkle it. Just gonna douse it over the top, right? And then you're gonna toss to coat it. You could add more or less if you like. Some folks like to toss butter in here as well. Gives it a nice sheen. Toss it until you get it coated good. Plate it up. And one for good measure. A little bit of parsley flake for color. Woo! Game time, baby. It's time to try these bad boys out. I'm so pumped. I'm so happy that this came out at least the way I imagined it would. Because I had no idea whether I was going to be able to pull off 20 wings in an overcrowded air fryer. So, let's give these a try. Which ones do I want? Let's try the lemon pepper ones first. Alright, so that's what they look like. You know, nice and crunchy on the outside. Nice little buttery sheen. Plenty of lemon and pepper seasoning on it. Still steaming, folks. Woo! Yeah, boy. That is very comparable to a deep fried wing. Yeah. I don't know if I'm ever going back to deep frying chicken wings again. Woo. Okay. Next is going to be the Buffalo Frank's Red Hot. Now, what I am putting this is probably going to gross some of you out. Blue cheese, the traditional method. I love it. Yep, tastes exactly like how it's supposed to. There's a nice little crunch in the background. It has, you know, had an opportunity to get wet or moist from the sauce. But that is fantastic. It's not overly spicy, so if you want it spicy, add a little cayenne to it. Even some Tabasco will help spruce it up. But all in all, boy, that's better than Buffalo Wild Wings and Wingstop put together. Whew. Yes, sir. Yeah, that's a good wing. Alright, so that's going to do it for me today, folks. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Until next time, folks, from my kitchen to yours, Big Shticks out. God damn, that's good.